Just kind of working on the fairway shots right now and trying to just straighten out that drive.
So this is about 5 minutes from our hotel, from which we came through on a public walk access. And this is what it looks like on loadout. All 3 dogs and all of our luggage gear is packed and ready for northbound departure.
Right.
Destination Louisville.
Just when you thought we were over, we introduced 3 more co-pilots.
The final pit stop's underway at Buc-ee's just over the Tennessee border. We locked Buc-ee's because we pick up some groceries here for our next Airbnb stop.
Whoa! So after a few months in warmer climates, this is a snowbird early April Chicago return.
I'm Jimmy Bukowski, off duty and reporting.